Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here, garlic knots, the soft pillows of dough covered in aroma-rich garlic. These babies are the perfect accompaniment to any Italian feast, and so easy to make. Let's get naughty. All right, we're gonna start with 1 1/4 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix it up and set it aside while we work on our dry. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it up. And now that our yeast is nice and alive, add in a 1/2 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Make a divot in your dry and add in your wet. Give that a nice mix. And once you have a shaggy dough form, you could place it onto a clean work surface and begin kneading it. You want to knead it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it is shiny and elastic. Look at that little dough ball. We're going to cut this in half, and you can make 1/2 into pizza or all into knots. Either way, you want to form it into a ball shape. Oil a bowl, place your ball inside, tightly wrap it with saran wrap, and allow it to rise for about 10 minutes. Time for a dance break. Okay, now that your dough has risen, you're going to remove it from the plastic wrap, gently press it down with your knuckles, and place it onto a clean work surface. Form it into a square, and you're going to cut this in half. Turn it around, cut it in half again, and then cut each half into thirds. Now you're going to get a parchment-lined sheet tray, and we're going to roll each piece and then tie it into a knot. Continue this process, and you're going to oil each garlic knot with extra virgin olive oil. Now cover this and allow to rise for 10 minutes. Once they're nice and fluffy, they're going to go in the oven for 12 minutes at 400 degrees. Now for the garlic spread, we'll take 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 garlic cloves in a garlic press, as well as a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Ooh, yeah. Now that our garlic knots are out of the oven, we're going to place our garlic spread over top, just like that. Sprinkle with flaky sea salt and place them back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, and they're smelling so fragrant right now. Just look at that garlic goodness. Okay, so here we have our garlic knots. I'm so excited to try this. Who doesn't love garlic, really? I have a little red sauce here to dip on in. Let's give them a try. These are so good. They're like soft, but like a little bit crispy on the bottom. So easy to make, in my opinion. Garlic, salt, red sauce. I'll have it for dinner, breakfast, all the things. All right, well, don't forget to like and subscribe. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy, out.